Hi, this is Jen from the Hingham Public Library. The materials you'll need for this workshop are acrylic paint, orange, blue, red, yellow, purple, light green, and turquoise. You'll need wooden squares. These I found at the dollar store, magnetic tape, a paintbrush, and hot glue. You'll need 28 of the wooden cubes, and you want to arrange them in groups of 4. So you have the I block, you have the J block, you have the L block, the O block, the S block, the T block, and the Z block. You're going to glue those all together using the hot glue. Just add a dot of the hot glue and hold it together for a second. And you're going to repeat that until you've glued together all of your different Tetris shapes. After you've glued the pieces together, you want to paint them. The I block is turquoise. So you're doing just one color per shape, and you're only painting 3 sides. The bottom side is going to be where the magnet goes. Try your best to get right in the cracks too. The J block is blue. The L block is orange. The O block is yellow. The S block is green. The T block is purple. The Z block is red. After they've all dried, paint them with a second coat. For the magnets, I have 1/2 inch wide magnetic tape, and that fits perfectly on the back of my craft cubes. So I'm just measuring it out on the back, giving it a little fold, and then trimming that off. With it already having the adhesive on there, makes it really easy. You might, I found this at Walmart. If you are having a hard time finding magnetic tape, you might just use the sheets of magnet. You could also use the small circles of magnet, and you could just attach that with hot glue. So there's one. I'm doing the same thing, just measuring it out. You want to really press this on there so that the adhesive can work its magic. So that will be strong enough to hold this up so that you can play a little game of Tetris on your fridge. So fun. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions at all, please send me an email.